I'll be back. Guys, my legs are sore. It was leg day today. Whew. All right. Hey. Yeah, this is Frank, guys. Oh, you should give her... I should. That'd be hilarious. Get her a gift card to the gas station. Okay. Frank is hard to move on sometimes, guys. Yes. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna take a break. I'm bored already on here, guys. I'm sorry. I gotta go have some fun. Or it's gonna be a long day. Welcome back to Frank. All right, guys. I'm gonna go hang out over there for a while. I'm gonna go hang out over there for a little bit. And then I'm gonna lay in the sun for a little bit and then I will be back. Who won the game? The Panthers won! Cause the goose I took over there yesterday. Alright guys, pinned up at the top is where you can see more. I haven't been to the grocery store and can't even tell you how long, unless it's Costco. And I got all kinds of salad stuff. Thousands Island, yes, that's good. Sour cream on her salad. I like sour cream and hot sauce on a taco salad. Do I like almonds? Kind of. Yeah, I like almonds. I like cashews. Alrighty. I think I might go tan, guys. I think I'm gonna go get my tan on for a little bit. Thank you. Should I get the tan on, or should we float on Big Frank for a little bit? Go enjoy the. I might. We might go hang out over there. What do you think? I ate salad. Oh. Big Frank. Big Frank is my my jumbo wiener. He's the star of the event from Thursday. My Instagram, you don't have to subscribe, you just follow me. Should we get on Big Frank, guys, or should I go get my tan on? Hi. You think so? Oh, well, that wasn't mine. You don't have to do that on mine. Guys, I do have, I have over 1,000 fake TikTok accounts. 1,000. Over 1,000. Every couple days I go on there and I block them. I don't report them anymore. TikTok says they can do that. So if you get a follow request from me and somebody messages you asking for money, 100% that's not me. I don't ask people for money. I've asked my mom for gas money one time when I was in high school because my debit card was stolen. But I asked my mom for gas money one time. But I don't ask people for money. All right, guys, we're gonna go get on Big Frank, okay? So I'm gonna go grab him. He's kind of over there. He's over there. I'm gonna go grab him. And then we're